5 smart way modern depots reduce washing time. Most transport companies think slow washing operations are caused by having too many vehicles, but after visiting and studying modern depots, we realized something surprising. The fastest operations are not always the biggest depots. They simply run smarter systems. Right now, many transport businesses are losing hours every single day in ways they barely notice. Buses waiting too long for cleaning, stop moving inefficiently, washing area becoming overloaded during peak hours, and managers constantly solving operational delays instead of improving performance. Over time, these small inefficiencies quietly slow down the entire business, and the larger the fleet becomes, the worse the problem gets. But modern depots approach this very differently. Instead of treating washing as a simple maintenance task, they treat it as part of operational flow. That's why many large transport companies are now redesigning the way vehicles move through their depots. The first thing smarter operators focus on is reducing unnecessary waiting time. In many manual operations, buses spend more time waiting than actually being cleaned. Modern automatic washing system train that by creating a continuous process where vehicles move through cleaning quickly and efficiently without creating congestion inside the depot. The second thing they improve is manpower efficiency. Traditional washes often requires large teams working under pressure, especially during busy hours. But modern depots understand that scaling manpower forever is not sustainable. Instead of increasing labor every time fleets grow, they invest in systems that reduce dependency on manual work while maintaining stable cleaning qualities. The third strategy is consistency. One of the biggest operational problems inside transport depots is inconsistency between shifts and workers. Some vehicles are cleaned properly, while others are rushed because operations are overloaded. Modern automated systems solve this by standardizing the process, so every bus receives the same cleaning result every time. This creates a cleaner fleet, stronger brand image, and fewer operational problems long term. The fourth strategy is designing operational for scalability. Many companies only realize that depot system is outdated once fleet expansion becomes difficult. More vehicles suddenly create operational chaos, stop shortages, and heavy pressure across the entire workflow. Smart transport companies prepare for growth early by building systems that can scale smoothly as operational expand. This is why automation is becoming a major priority across the transport industry globally. And finally, the fifth thing modern depots focus on is speed, without sacrificing quality. Faster cleaning means nothing if vehicles still look inconsistent afterward. At Go&Go, our automatic bus wash system are designed specifically for large buses and commercial fleets operating daily under heavy workload. Intelligent bus system clean vehicles quickly, evenly, and consistently, while reducing operational bottlenecks inside busy depots. Large buses over 10 meters long can move through the process efficiently with minimal manpower, helping operators maintain smoother workflow and faster turnaround time every day. And in today's transport industry, operational speed is becoming one of the biggest competitive advantages a company can have. Because while some businesses continue struggling with outdated washing systems, others are already building smarter depots, operations designed for long-term growth. If your company is planning to improve depot efficiency, reduce operational delays, and modernize fleet washing system, now is the time to explore smarter automation with Go&Go. Comment below or contact us today to discover how leading transport companies are building faster and more scalable operations for the future.